Hello, today we are doing a barbecue here and they are already started cooking some pork on the backyard, which is where I'm going right now. Let's see what they have cooking. Hello.
We're making a BBQ.
Yes.
It's going to be very delicious. It's going to be very delicious. We're going to enjoy. Please come and join with us.
And they are preparing to barbecue fish. Okay, this is how they barbecue fish. There are some cooked barbecues already.
มีนกคนนี้นะจะพบแขกขาดอยู่นะ
Oh.
เขากลับมาอยู่บ้านพอดี
And they are still cooking more barbecues. Yeah.
ลูกชายผมนี่จะรับเนี่ยจะไม่ได้มา
อ๋อถ้ามาก็ดีน่าจะ
คนนี้ถ่ายรูปอย่างเดียวก็
We haven't moved to the front of the house because the sun has to go out since we have a light in the front. So far, barbecue about this much pork and grilling fish. Ugh. It's gonna be nice. Okay, this is the barbecue.
นี่เห็นไหมเปียก
Vâng, ok, chân thôi.